army is in Bangladesh. Your air force has been destroyed. You are surrounded on all sides. And if you don't surrender, you will be killed unmercifully.
Now the present reality is that a new country, a new state has come into being. Its name is Bangladesh.
55 years since this battle was fought, and the world got another testament to the Indian Army's might. To remember these victories and keep them alive in the minds of future generations, we bring to you the Military History Seminar, a Vellum initiative.
What do you feel is the relevance of the military history seminar in today's world?
There's that old cliched saying which goes that people who do not learn from history are often going to repeat the same mistakes. It is relevant for today's generation, or for that matter any generation, to know what were the reasons why such military operations were undertaken, and then probably with that insight analyze the present context of the country.
I think that sessions like these are very, very engaging, invigorating and extremely inspirational.
It's not about only that what we are studying in the classroom. There should be personal experiences when the students are getting time to meet with these army personals. So really it's going to have good effect on their minds also.
The highly decorated officers gave their own perspective of the conflict, which gave us a better understanding of the overall situation back then. Overall, the military history seminar provided an education that goes beyond the curriculum, and it was a great experience.
How has your perspective on the Indian Army changed ever since you attended the seminar?
Well, before attending the seminar, I was always very interested to join the Indian Army, and after meeting some of the veterans, war heroes, all I can say is that I love the Indian Army more than I ever could, and I'm more than excited to join it.
Something that stood out to me was how both sides of the war were shared, how we didn't just know the perspective of the Indian military on the conflict, but also the perspective of the Mukti Bahini, the Mukti Jodhas.
भारतीय सेना अपने आप में एक बहुत सशक्त और बहुत ही विश्व की सबसे शानदार बहादुर सेना। ये वो पुस्तक हैं जिसको जितनी बार भी आप पढ़ेंगे, जितनी बार आप पढ़ेंगे, हर बार कुछ ना कुछ आपको नया मिलेगा, नया मिलेगा।
There is nothing in my family background or something like that, so I just really don't know much about army, so it was really helpful.
So before I thought that military people were very strict and disciplined, but after meeting them I realized that they are also very kind-hearted and approachable.